If we want to change things, then, and when we know that it is possible to change, then why not put the responsibility where it belongs? Like your immediate reaction to challenge me was, did I call that neighbor? Yes, you called that neighbor. Because when we decide to be totally with ourselves for that 1 hour, if we do not gather too many thoughts in the mind, and we have a routine which says that from this time to this time, this is what you have to do, mind will automatically keep everything away. Actually, the universe, the external cosmic energy, is in tune with our inner energy. But if our inner energy is like this, not disciplined, then everything outside also becomes indisciplined for us. Just like you agree that the clutter outside is really the clutter in our inside. But having to say that, when you are really faced with it, it hurts. I'm not doing this. This is the clutter showing up. But we are not willing to accept. So, ठीक है, watch this reaction also. Because that's why I'm giving you the time log writing, so that will make you reflect and watch that at a distance. थोड़ा time का distance हो जाएगा ना. So there will be some amount of objectivity in watching yourself. And with that little objectivity, also some amount of success will be met. यदि रीडिंग 100 आती है और 99 आती है, तो 99 आने पे आपको खुशी होती है ना. वैसे ही ये है कि वो उतना भी कम होगा, क्योंकि माइंड इज अदरवाइज वी हैव मेड इट वेरी वेरी प्लास्टिक. इट डज नॉट इजीली वांट टू चेंज. तो उसको थोड़ा भी चेंज करना है, मोल्ड करना है, तो उसको थोड़ा पैम्पर करके, थोड़ा वार्म करके फिर उसको थोड़ा सा करना पड़ता है. So that is what you have to do to yourself. Treat it like, another, other than you. And be gentle with it. Just like तुम अब भले वो कैसे भी हो, even with your maid you will not talk badly and rudely. है कि नहीं? तो your body also, when you will talk to it, then talk to it that way. अच्छा ठीक है, अभी गलती की, अगली बार ध्यान रखना. नहीं करना तो इमीडिएटली तो होगा नहीं, है कि नहीं? अब तुमने मेड को एक दिन बता दिया कि अच्छा ऐसे 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 सब्जी बनानी है, जरूरी नहीं है कि इमीडिएटली नेक्स्ट टाइम वो ठीक कर लेगी. उसको दोबारा भी तो एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ सकता है ना. वो अपनी गड़बड़ाहट में तूने बोला कुछ होगा, उसने समझा कुछ होगा. ये भी होता है ना, मिसकम्युनिकेशन भी होता है, डाइल्यूशन ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन होता है. और हर कोई अपनी बुद्धि तो बीच में लगाता ही लगाता है. तो बॉडी भी अपना सेंस खुद का लगाती है, क्योंकि उसको जो आदत पड़ी हुई है वो उसका सेंस है. माइंड को भी एक आदत पड़ी हुई है, वो उसका सेंस है. और दोनों बॉडी एंड माइंड आर सपोज टू सर्व यू हु वांट टू बी हेल्दी. और हेल्दी होने का पर्पस क्या है? देयर हैज टू बी अ पर्पस टू दिस. If we don't have a purpose, then there's not enough motivation. So what is your purpose for being healthy? What is the motive? Do we have any purpose? Set a goal for yourself. So some higher purpose, some higher goal. And it should be so much that it motivates you to do things. So all this we have not provided. That anchoring we have not done to our mind. And that is why then we keep wondering as to मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों होता है. We have often fooled ourselves. I am quite cool. I do not bother with this. I do not bother with that. At that point of time when you're saying it, you are saying it right. You're being honest, because in your mind only those instances are there. And how you are behaving differently, those instances your mind does not want to look at that point of time. So this is how we fool ourselves. जबकि दूसरे जो हमको देख रहे होते हैं तो they see us total ना, उनको ये भी वो भी सब दिखता है. वो कहते हैं नहीं, लेकिन ज्यादा टाइम तुम ऐसा बिहेव कर रहे हो. So that is why getting inputs from the outside and having to look at it objectively in a manner that, okay, यदि उनको ऐसा लग रहा है तो let me find out the truth in it for myself. How am I contributing to this so that they perceive me in this manner? ये actually abusive है communication में, कि हम कहना कुछ और चाहते हैं, communicate कुछ और करना चाहते हैं, और सामने वाले को communicate कुछ और हो रहा है. Yes, so it is because यहाँ पर कुछ दोहरा है. Your mind is not letting you see the full picture at any one time. And that is why this is happening. So, perfectly all right. I think your journey for watching yourself is what I would like you to begin today. And if you have a purpose in life, I want you to become very clear on that and decide on what is the highest thing that you want to achieve in this life. What is this human life for? And if you have no clarity on it, or you have many things in mind, either way, allow that. If you want, you can note that down also. And, allow that process to get started today. So the whole process is of self-awareness and leading to fulfilling of all the needs, leading to self-actualization. I don't know if you have heard of Maslow's hierarchy of needs.
Right.
Okay. I think I have that link. Internet ke upar, there is a free test on Maslow's hierarchy of needs. So you can do that test. It takes hardly 10-15 minutes or something, and it will throw back the results to you. So I'll send you that link and try that out if you can. It will give you a good idea about yourself, because when Maslow says when all these needs are appropriately fulfilled, then there is possible to self-actualize. So if we are beginning on this journey, it is nice to take help of available resources like this. Okay? So we can do that. I'll send you that thing also. So I don't know if I have given you too much to do.
No, it's enough. I will do it.
You will do
It's
that.
not too
Na?
much.
Okay. One more thing I want to ask you. When you say that you learned something of the TV today,